How to add secondary password in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add another layer of password first for open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here we're in the settings interface. Now on the left hand side, you'll be able to see the option called secondary password. Simply tap on secondary password. Now on the top, simply tap on enable. Here you can set your secondary password and confirm the password right here. So this is a type of layer and protection that you can enable in order to protect your game and your account. So you can enter the password and at last simply tap on confirm. So double layer password will make your account more safe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.